coming this summer. Enough games, robot. Where did you hide this CPU?
My name is Smrt-1, and for the last time, I have no idea what you are talking about. Also, I am only programmed to play games.
I don't like your tone there, mister. Electric Umbrella Productions presents. If you don't fess up soon, I'm gonna have to take you down.
No, please. I have audio loops to feed.
Bird and Robot.
The robot's been kicked out of a job since the incident, but we think he'll be working at the Contemporary soon.
Good. If anything doesn't go our way, take care of him there.
Sir, if you don't mind me asking, why do people call you Bird?
Because I'm gonna crack this case, no matter how extreme it gets.
Has your name been leading up to that pun this whole time?
Follow Tom Morrow starring as Bird and his attempts to find out the truth.
I am telling you, I am not programmed to steal a CPU.
And who did take it?
I do not know that, but I bet I can guess what your birthday is.
That's impossible. No one knows my birthday. Not even my own kids.
The 18th of June.
Get him! He knows too much!
Ah,
Wait a minute. You couldn't have stolen it. He has no opposable thumbs. Guys, call off the mission!
I'm afraid it's too late for that, boss.
What? Why?
Well, you see, we accidentally dropped him. Really, really far.
the animal I am thinking of is hurt.
Bird and Robot, the electrifying adventure awaits.